Do you feel trapped by credit card debt? I know the feeling. I once had $44,000 across 4 credit cards, barely making the minimum payments, and it left me feeling defeated. But today, I'm debt free, and I want to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. If you've struggled with debt too, please share your story in the comments section. I'd love to hear it. Now, debt isn't just money, it's stress, time, and freedom literally slipping away. Banks make money off your interest. Every day you delay, it's like giving them free money. And I do not like giving free money. I remember staring at my 4 credit card statements totaling roughly $44,000. And I'm thinking to myself, I'd never get ahead, especially just making minimum payments. The interest alone was hundreds of dollars a month. If this sounds familiar, hit the like button and let me know in the comments which card is stressing you the most or what form of debt is stressing you the most. The snowball method is simple but yet powerful. Number 1, it lists all debts from smallest to largest. Number 2, pay minimums on all except the smallest. Number 3, throw every extra dollar at the smallest until it's gone, completely wiped out. Number 4, then move to the next smallest debt. I started with the $500 card. It took 3 weeks to pay it off. But that small win gave me momentum to tackle the next card and the next until all 4 were gone. What's your smallest debt right now? Comment below. You might be surprised how motivating it can be to snowball this debt first. Small wins, as we discussed in our previous videos. Credit card interest is a silent killer. While your balance sits there, it grows. That's why you need to kill it. You got to kill it fast. One of my cards was 26% interest. That's a very high interest for a card. Paying only the minimum meant I was literally giving hundreds of dollars away. Again, there's that free money we just giving away. Once I attacked it aggressively, I reclaimed that money for myself. Now imagine what you could do with that extra cash. Have you ever paid off a high interest card before? Let me know in the comments. Let me know what it felt like when you made that last payment and you were able to either A, close it out, or just you felt more responsible afterwards. Leave a comment in the comment box. So debt feels overwhelming. And I know a lot of people can take this and feel that frustration and just, again, that overwhelming feeling. But financial freedom isn't about huge payments. It's about momentum. And I do want to repeat that. Financial freedom isn't about huge payments. It's about momentum. Even $20 extra per week begins to add up. I tracked every payment on a whiteboard. Each card I crushed felt like a win. It was almost addictive, but I knew I had a lot more to go. There's a lot more to handle before I could feel fully financially free. I also share my progress with friends. Accountability skyrocketed motivation. Because a lot of the times I was talking to people that were kind of the same mindset as me, being aggressive to get that financial freedom in place. So know who you're talking to when you do share that information. However, you don't have to share it. That was just something I did just to keep me going, motivated. If you want to crush your debt too, like this video and subscribe and comment. I'm ready if you're starting your snowball journey today. Otherwise, just keep on listening and we're going to do what we got to do here together as a team. So number 1, we want to visualize freedom. Watch the debt disappear. Literally just watch it disappear. Number 2, celebrate those small wins. So treat yourself without breaking the budget, right? Number 3, you want to track your snowball progress. Seeing balances drop is addictive. It's addictive, but it still lets us know and reminds us we still got work to do. So let's keep that going. Number 4, share your journey. Accountability keeps you motivated. However, if you choose not to do that, you can stay motivated within yourself. Self-motivation is just as helpful. Every time I paid off a card, I treated myself to a small dinner. It kept me motivated without adding more debt. I was more responsible, but I was also driven and motivated. Debt has a way of teaching you lessons. But which method keeps you motivated? Comment below and let's inspire each other. Once your debt is gone, you're not just free from credit cards, you're free to invest, save, and grow wealth. Not to mention vacations, buying your nice cars, or getting your purses or other clothes, whatever it is that you got extra money so you can do it at this point. That's why starting now is the best decision you'll make. After crushing my cards, I started my emergency fund, something I never thought to do before, but I added my first investment account as well. So those two things are pretty cool to be able to do. The feeling was honestly unreal because, again, I didn't know much about an emergency fund. So that really helped kind of open some doors for me so that as I'm preparing to knock out these cards, I got something I'm building toward myself, and that's that emergency fund and even those first investment accounts. So if you started your debt-free journey, type freedom in the comments or just let me know that you're still with me and you're enjoying this video so far. In any case, I need you all to remember something. Number 1, list all your debts from smallest to largest. Number 2, snowball them. Number 3, kill that interest and never accrue it again. And I'm serious about that. Number 3 is kill the interest. And I say that with a lot of force because interest, if you look at your yearly statements, like put all your statements together, check out the box where it says how much interest has been taken from you. That alone will just literally wake you up and just help you realize, oh my goodness, I am literally giving this much money to a credit card plus everything else I had to struggle with all year. That is a constant reminder to me I never want to see interest like that again. And number 4, celebrate every win. It's a journey and nothing comes easy, but we have to remember to pat ourselves on the back because every little accomplishment we make, every card we close or every card we pay off is freedom, that financial freedom that we're striving to get to every single day. Because remember, retirement is out there for somebody, whether it's a year from now, 10 years from now, 20 plus years from now. Retirement is out there for all of us, and we want to make sure we know exactly what we're doing when we get there. We want to have that nest egg ready and saved for us because time doesn't stop when you retire, but we can make it comfortable, we can make it fun. So start today. Your future self will thank you. I say this all the time. Your future self will thank you because ultimately it does. And again, we preparing for retirement, but we also preparing to go on vacations, do some fun stuff with family and friends, and we don't want money to be an issue for anything that we do. If you found this helpful, give me a like, comment, and subscribe. I would love the subscription from everybody. I love to hear from you all, and I would love to get that like button pushed and smashed, just like we doing interest. We smashing and crushing it. Do that for this video so we can put this out for more people, for more debt-free tips. And share your story. I want to hear how you're crushing your debt, and I would love updates as to where you are. 2026 is an awesome year. Let's get started. Let's do this thing together.